Let's see how you can easily collect customer data through a WhatsApp chatbot and send those information to the Google Sheet as well. So here I'm in a demo account with this particular WhatsApp account connected over here, and here we have also a sample flow. So here let me go to the flow section, and here we have this particular sample flow called as pet grooming WhatsApp Google Sheets. So here let me open this particular flow. Here this is the flow. So here we actually ask about, before we get started, would you like to answer a few questions? So if they say yes, we first ask for the name. So here we actually save that particular name in the full name field, and after that we also ask for the type of pet they have. So they can choose dog, cat or other. So once they choose any of these options, so here we have these options right here, and then we actually ask about the size of the pet, and here these are the options: small, medium and large. And after that we also ask about what sort of services they are interested in. So here we have those options as well. And finally we actually ask them to confirm the phone number, because they're actually chatting on the WhatsApp, so we already know their phone number, so they can simply confirm it, or if not, they can actually type a different phone number as well. So here at the end we actually simply send them all the confirmation message for them, and or we also say one of our team members will reach out to you soon. And here we actually assign this particular conversation to the Stella James agent, so they will be notified and they can jump in and talk with the customer as well. So here let's say if you want to send all these information you collect, like name, the pet type, the size, the service they are looking for, including the phone number, to a Google Sheet, we can do that as well. So here this is a sample Google Sheet we created with these columns over here: name, phone number, pet type, pet size and the pet service. Yeah, first of all you have to go to settings over here and go to integrations and Google Sheet and connect a Google account. So here we have connected chattingmedia@gmail.com, and once it is connected you have to click on manage and add the specific Google Sheet right here. So here this is the Google Sheet link over here, so let me click on add and add the spreadsheet link, and you can actually add the same name as well if you want. So let me add the same name. All right, so here we have added the Google Sheet right here. So now if we go to this particular flow right here, so now if we go to the particular flow right here, we can add an action over here. So click on add content action, so at the end of this particular flow, and choose Google Sheet over here, and here we want to send the data, and here which spreadsheet. So here roaming WhatsApp Google Sheet right here, and here worksheet sheet 1. So here this is sheet 1. So now you see all these columns: name, phone number, pet type, pet size. So you have to simply choose those fields from the bot. So full name and phone number will be saved in phone, and the pet type will be saved in the pet type, and the pet size will be saved in pet size, and pet service will be saved in pet service, and save it. All right, so now when a particular customer complete this particular chatbot flow, all the data will be in the Google Sheet as well. So let me publish this one over here, and now let me actually create a keyword to activate this particular flow. So here the flow name is pet grooming WhatsApp Google Sheet. So let me go to the keyword section over here, choose keywords over here, and let me create a new one, and let me say hashtag PG. So imagine hashtag PG, pet grooming, and now we want to trigger this particular flow, which is called as pet grooming WhatsApp Google Sheet. So that's a flow. Let me save it. So now we have activated this particular hashtag PG, and this particular flow will be triggered. So now let me share my phone screen over here and show you. So here I'm in the WhatsApp demo right here, and let me send the specific keyword we set up, hashtag PG. So this should actually trigger the automation and send us the first message asking, thanks for reaching out. Before we get started, would you like to proceed with a few quick questions? So let me say yes. So now the first thing, it will ask me to provide the name. So let me say John Kim, and after that it will simply ask for the what type of pet. So here I have a dog, so let me choose dog and send. So now it should ask about the size, so let me say medium. All right, so now let's see what happens. So it also asks for the type of grooming service, so let me say haircut and trim and send it. All right, finally it will actually ask to confirm the phone number. So this is the phone number, so let me say yes. All right, so finally it will send me the confirmation message with all the details I provided: the name, phone number, the pet dog, the size, medium and the service, and it also says one of our team member will reach out to you. So now if we go to the Google Sheet, we should see all these information on the Google Sheet. So let me go to the Google Sheet right here, and as you can see here, the John Kim, the phone number, pet type dog, the medium size, and the service is haircut entry. So that all the information is sent to this particular Google Sheet. And now if you go to the inbox, you can find the specific chat from WhatsApp, and as you can see here, this particular chat is assigned to Stella James, and from here an agent can easily send any sort of messages as they like. So they're actually chatting on the WhatsApp, but if you have connected a phone number, you can even send SMS to the same phone number as well. And that's a quick video on how you can easily send WhatsApp contact details to a Google Sheet. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.